Hey, if you are looking to get into vegetable gardening to become self-sustainable, or to make some profits, then this ebook will give you some step-by-step guidelines on how to grow healthy profitable vegetables. Many people when getting into vegetable gardening make costly mistakes, resulting in the death of their vegetables and loss of investments. Anyone can get into vegetable gardening and make profits, but you have to know what you are doing to profit from this lucrative industry. Sustainable Vegetable Gardening is an ebook that will give you step-by-step guidelines to raising your own vegetables, even as a beginner. In detail, you will discover how to choose the right location on your property for growing plants, preparing the soil properly to provide nutrition for healthy plants, fencing techniques for your garden, learn about true seeds and the soundness of seed, and so much more. This ebook is all about raising healthy vegetables. Get started with profitable vegetable gardening. Click on the link and get yourself a copy of Sustainable Vegetable Gardening. There are lots of benefits in growing your very own vegetables. Learn how to successfully grow 81 different vegetables and herbs, 26 tasty fruits and nuts, and the most popular flowers and shrubs. Well, what are you waiting for? Click on the link, get yourself a copy of Sustainable Vegetable Gardening, and start growing your very own rewarding vegetables today, without the fear of failure.